pwedeng gawin? What about mag-experiment kami? Naboboringan ba kayo, guys?
Yes!
Alam ko na, what about mag-experiment tayo?
Anong klaseng gagawin na experiment natin?
About combined gas law. Before we're going to start our experiment about combined gas law, what is combined gas law? Combined gas law is a gas law that combines Boyle's law, Charles law, Gay-Lussac law, and to one equation wherein the pressure is directly proportional to the temperature, however, and inversely proportional to the volume. So we are through a simple experiment called egg in the bottle. This experiment needs some materials, so I got some assistants here. We have Unixel and Reina. So the materials we have is
Butter.
egg, a piece of paper, and salt.
We started to light the fire and drop inside the bottle. As you can see, the paper start to burn. Now we're gonna put the egg on top of the bottle. As you see, the egg is slowly going inside the bottle.
Meanwhile,
How did the egg fit into the bottle?
Air molecules present in the bottle was heated up after burning the paper was dropped. The air molecules tried to spread forward drop when the place the egg top. Due to lack of space in air molecules started to press against the wall.
The pressure increased, some of the bottle were then used, and combustion, specifically oxygen. It resulted to carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. And water before, with the increase in pressure, air molecules rush out of the bottle. Through the small spaces around the egg, this reduce the volume of the air as the pressure, second temperature, continues to rise as majority of the molecules increase, escape, the flames soon extinguished.
This creates a sudden drop in pressure and temperature inside the bottle since the volume of air molecules is less than the volume prior than the experiment. The pressure is lower than the initial pressure before. Due to this the pressure outside is now greater than the inside the bottle. The pressure inside and outside and inside when were balanced.
Experiments highlights the combined gas law because as the temperature increases, the volume also increases inside the bottle, and with this rise in temperature
starts to push against the wall, which increase pressure. However, with this increase in pressure, the volume starts to decrease as air molecules rush out of the bottle through the small spaces around the egg.
moments later.
Everybody was kung fu